What's up guys, thanks again for tuning in. So we're back to my car. So this video, we're gonna discuss how I installed the European domestic market fourth brake light. So as you guys know, if you're located in the US or if you got a similar version of the Supra as a US version, the extra light on the bottom, that's only our reverse light. But for those who didn't know, in Europe or certain countries in Europe, they actually got the option for getting the light, or it just came from factory actually, where they get that light as an additional brake light. Huge thanks again to iAutowork, Tony and Joe over there for installing this for me. So that's what you guys will see later in the video. I always see the third-party options where the LEDs are it just doesn't match up with the design of the taillights. Maybe it's a different type of red, or maybe it's just too bright. For me personally, I prefer the OE route. So stay tuned to see how we went about that process. And in the future, Tony will offer a plug-and-play harness for that. But in the meanwhile, use the strategies that we did in this video to help you with your install process. So hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so for the part number, you guys see it on your screen. What you want to make sure is you get the one that ends in 01. And what I just did was I actually just ordered this online. I will leave the link to this part that you can purchase down in the description box. So if you guys are interested in doing this, you can go ahead and purchase it. Just FYI, it'll take probably like a week or two to receive it. Joe went ahead and already installed the actual brake light on here. So as you can see, it looks exactly the same. Here's the OE one that came with the car. It looks the same, but you guys will see once the wiring is done what the difference is between the USDM one and the European one. So we'll go and get that started. So right now Tony is working on depinning the OE plug so we can see exactly what type of pin we need to use for the one that we will be tapping into.
The pin comes with a seal, so it seals it up like factory. It'll kind of have a pigtail that you can actually tuck behind some of these stuff, and you can zip tie it to other factory harness. So it'll keep stuff from dangling down, but you'll have a factory heat shield that holds this up anyways. And then you'll go to this harness, you can unhook it. You can unhook this harness and you get the blue wire with green stripe.
Blue wire with green stripes.
Yeah, that's the wire that you would splice into however way you like it. You can use a quick connect, you can strip the wire, twist it on there, tape it, zip tie the splice, and then zip tie right behind the splice so it don't pull itself off over time. And then you can run a little piece of loom for peace of mind, and then put the heat shield back on and you're good to go.
Nice, easy as that. It's good. Oh shit. Hell yeah.
Try to see if it goes in reverse.
Hey, let's go. Let's go. All right guys, as you saw in the previous clip, we got it to work. So to recap everything that's happened, I know I'm wearing different clothes because it's actually the next day, because we had to order the pins, is that on the third pin within the brake light, you use one of the pins to run a wire to the green and blue taillight signal wire. So once you do that, then you'll get it to work exactly how we have it, which is pretty sick. But make sure you guys check out the description box below. My friend Tony at iAutowork will be selling a plug-and-play kit to make this work. So basically what you'll just have to do is buy that plug-and-play kit and then buy the light itself, and then just tap into that blue and green wire, and then that's it. You'll get this result. So my personal opinion, I personally like this better than the aftermarket options that are out there. If you decide to go that route, you know, more power to you, but this one I wanted to say OE plus because this part is an OEM part. It just came on the European domestic market Supras, and what I like about this is at least it keeps consistent with the lighting of the car, whereas those third party options, the LED typically is a different red or is brighter, and I just wasn't a big fan of that. But either way, super happy with it. Big thanks to Joe and Tony for getting this installed. If you guys are interested, again, check out the description box below, and I'll see you guys on the next video.